Namaste friends, welcome to Learn with J, empowered by Magic Needles. This day I am here with dropped post stitches which create a pattern of embedded V's, and this is worked with right post stitch and left post stitches. To make this pattern we require multiples of 6 plus 3 as the foundation chains, and this is named as Jeobneun stitch. I shall make the required number of chains and get back to you. I am going to work with the baby cake yarn, which is all equivalent to this Aran yarn. So this is in monocolor, that I am going to do it in the multicolor. I have made 3 repeats of 6 plus 3, 21 chains. To begin with, DC in the 4th chain from the hook. And 1 DC each in each of the next 4 stitches, 4 chains. This is a 2-row repeat pattern. 2 rows 2 and 3 are the pattern repeats. Now chain 1, skip 1 and place 1 DC each on each of the next 5 chains. So this is a repeat. Chain 1, skip 1, 1 DC each in each of the next 5 chains or stitches. Continue till the end. I shall meet you at the end. I have completed row 1. Row 1 has 6 DCs in the beginning, 5 DCs in the middle, and then 6 DCs in the end. These are separated by chain 1 spaces. Now for row 2, it's a single crochet row. Chain 1, turn, place 1 single crochet each on each of the next 6 DCs. That is starting from the first. Chain 1, skip the space, again 1 SC each in each of the next 5 DCs. So this is a SC row basically. Again chain 1 SC each on each of the next 6 DCs. So we have done only 5 so far, and the 6th one you will do in the 3rd chain of the turning chain. So this completes row 2. I have placed the SCs. For next row, either make chain 3 and turn, or turn and make the first standing double crochet here. Then yarn over, insert the hook in the next stitch, pick up the loop and pull through, yarn over, pull through 2. Now yarn over twice and skip the next stitch and insert your hook under the next DC, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 3. This is right post stitch. Now yarn over and place 1 DC each in each of the next 3 SCs. 1, 2 and 3. So now in the next stitch we are going to do the left post stitch. So what we do is we begin with yarn over twice on the hook, insert under the same stitch where we did the right post stitch, pull up the yarn, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Now yarn over 1 time and insert your hook into the next stitch, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through all 3 of them. So this completes one set. Now chain 1, skip the chain space and make a double crochet in the next. You will be yarn over, insert your hook into the next stitch, yarn over, pull through 2. We are going to make the right post stitch, yarn over twice, skip the next one, insert your hook underneath this. See, in the middle we have only 5 DCs, so we are going to work on those 5 stitches. So now 1 DC each on each of the next 3 DCs, sorry, 3 SCs. Now we are going to do the left post stitch. Yarn over twice, insert your hook under the same stitch where we did the right post. Pick up the yarn, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Now yarn over 1 time, insert your hook into the next SC, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through all 3 of them. This is a very simple and easy stitch, though it looks complicated. Chain 1, skip 1. Again we are going to do right post stitch. Insert your hook, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over twice, skip this, skip the next DC, pick up the yarn from underneath, from right to left. You insert your hook and pick up the yarn, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through all 3 of them. Now place 1 double crochet in each of the next 3 stitches. And now we are going to work the left post stitch. Yarn over twice, insert the hook under the same stitch where we did right post stitch, pick up the yarn, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over the hook once, insert the hook into the next stitch, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through all 3 of them. Now yarn over and place 1 double crochet in the very last stitch. This completes one set of pattern. Rows 2 and 3 are the pattern repeats. Again, the next row it's going to be a single crochet row. We are going to place 1 single crochet each on each of the first 6, chain 1, skip 1, again 1 single crochet in each of the next 5, continue till the end, and then repeat row 3. So pattern repeats are row 2 and 3. So you can repeat the pattern for the pattern 2 and 3 for your entire length of the project. So this is how it will look. These V's are formed, embedded V's are formed. Thank you friends for watching this video. Please do subscribe to Magic Needles channel and do not forget to hit on the bell icon. Do also like and share the videos. I shall be back with yet another pattern in the next video. Bye for now. Have a great day.